Today is the 5th of March 2021, which is a Friday, and the time right now is 10:38 p.m. Budapest time. And in this video, I'm going to show you my daily results with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest Forex trading robot in the world. So this is what my day looks like on the DAX 30 chart. And as you can see, between the days of 4th and 5th, there's a huge gap at the tip of my finger. That's where my day began. And this is a textbook example of a beautiful, very highly tradable day with a lot of tradable patterns. Beautiful, gorgeous volatility that made me a lot of dollars with a very, very little risk considering, right? So look at this. We had some bullish actions, some sideways movements, some drops, some run-ups, some breakouts, some drops, and some bullish action again with some sideways motion. So what more can I ask for, right? Because this was a beautiful day and Mohini Trade handled it so well. So let's take a look at my results. I'm going to scroll through my results. Of course, I sorted my results in chronological order by the time of closing. My first profit was closed at 9:05 in the morning, and look at these. Look at the numbers. Just focus on the numbers. I'm just going to highlight the big ones. The big ones: $15, $10, $16, another 10, another 14. Well, there's a red. Oops, there's a red. Okay. There's a $9. Almost made it to 10. A bunch of reds, but nothing major. $10. Look. Couple more. Look, oh, there's a zero. Oh, nice, a zero. That's a $2 loss. That's not very funny. That's not very funny. Okay, $10. Now that's pretty good. $12, $18, $10 again. So today was a good day. Although there were some losses, sure, nothing major. $8.50. 850, right? little loss here and there. There you go. A lot of numbers, and the total profit for the day, including all my losses and everything, $433.36 US only, of course. Now let me sort these numbers by profit and loss. Look, my biggest loss for today was $2.04. And all of these losses, they don't amount to too much. I believe it's a little over $10, but nothing really major. And let's take a look at my highest profits. My highest profit was 1807. Then it's 16.71, then 15.79. So this has been a very, very good day. And once again, my profit is $433.36, which is kind of important because my outstanding exposure is less than that. So these are the unclosed positions, my open trades, okay? So these are my open trades, $383.55. And most of these trades, actually the value of these trades come from, let me just sort them with the big ones. They come from, come on now, okay. They come from, 2 days ago, from the 3rd, when DAX was doing an all-time high, very close to 4,200, and my silly robot didn't know how high it was, just like my grandma. No, I'm just kidding. So my silly robot didn't know that how high it was on the actual chart, so it was, opting for some buy positions. Why? Because the moving averages told it so. And that could also be the case, maybe not today, not tomorrow. Well, tomorrow there's no market, but maybe within a few days it's going to hit an all-time high again when these are going to cash out with profit. That's the only reason I did not and will not and do not close these, because they make up for most of this outstanding balance, most of these open trades. All right, let's take a look at my balance. My balance is now over $9,000. It's exactly $9,096.19. My equity is $8,712.64. And once again, my open trades mount to $383.55. Now, let's take a look at my FX book. I'm just going to hit refresh to silence the doubters. And the page is reloading. And I usually like to start with my gain, which is today 773.4%. which I believe is absolutely mind-boggling and amazing. It's just gonna make your jaw drop. I can't even pronounce that. My absolute gain is 478.13%, which is also good. And the difference between these two numbers is because I already pulled out my initial capital, which was $2,000. You can see my deposit was $2,000, but I pulled out a little more than that. I pulled out $2,500. And actually, let me show you my on the 15th of January, when I had $5,229, I decided I pull out $2,500, leaving me with only $2,840 some dollars. And from then on, I traded it all up. So my $2,500 is safely at my brokers. Actually, it used to be, because out of my $2,500, I left $500 at my broker's wallet in my web office, and I used my initial $2,000 to start another trading. And that's actually a very conservative trading, because I wanted to kind of test it out on a live account, what those two very conservative sets do that I wrote. I actually trade with those sets for a loved person, someone I love and care for deeply. And I just want to make somewhere between $500 and $600 a month with that account, but I want to avoid all risk if possible. So I know it's kind of silly, but it's 25% that I aim for with that account per month. And I think that's still very, very doable with very little risk. So that's what I've been doing. But the beautiful part is that even after pulling out my initial capital, $2,500, which is my initial capital plus 500, I still have $9,000, a little over $9,000 for trading right now. And the profit is actually $500 more, obviously, right? Because that's what I pulled out, the extra 500. So it's $9,000 altogether. I have a little over $11,500, and this has just started 3 months ago. So the day after tomorrow is going to be the 7th of March, and I started trading on the 7th. I'm going to switch back. I started trading on the 7th of December 2020. So exactly the day after tomorrow, I'm going to be 3 months old trading trader, or whatever, Mohinist. I'm a Mohinist because I'm trading with Mohini Trade. So technically, I'll be 3 months old the day after tomorrow, but I already made $9,500 on my initial deposit of $2,000. So if you like these results, and actually I'm going to show you my very conservative trading as well. Here it is. It's very, very tiny. I actually have some huge outstanding balance with this, which is $80 from positions from very, very deep, very low. These are sell positions that the robot bought. Very, very low, like 300. Somewhere around 300 pips lower than this. But the bottom line is that it has made $11.58 today, which is not much, but this is money that I made without risking, with minimum risk. Well, I risked something because there's no pain, no gain. So I had to risk something, but it was minimum risk. And of course, it's some money, but it's still good money. You know what I mean? So let's see how much my conservative trading made for me this whole 2 weeks, because I've started trading with this 2 weeks ago. That's exactly $259.05. So that's, I think, is very mind-boggling. I'm going to switch back to my large account because I want to show something. I want to show some... gosh darn it, pull away. Okay, so I'm going to show you my monthly result, and this is going to be just interesting, but I'm not going to hit month because I'm going to go back for the last 4 weeks. So 4 weeks ago, Monday was February the 8th, right? Yeah, February the 8th. I'm just going to hit done, and now it's going to calculate all of them. Now it's great because we have it sorted with all the profits and the losses. My biggest loss for the last 4 weeks was $49.02 when I believe this was one buy position. It just fell so quickly, so deep that it had to give up. one of the stop loss just killed this position, and that's all right. That's fine. This is cost of running business. And there's my second one is the $9.16. I think this is from yesterday when I manually double clicked accidentally on a position and that closed, and this jumped into its place and I closed it again accidentally on MetaTrader, of course. And I have a bunch of tiny little losses, but it's not like I really am hurt. First off, I like to let go. I learned to let go, so I don't care. But this here we're talking, come on, here we're talking not more than $80. All right, maybe not more than $100 anyway. So it's just very tiny loss. Considering that all my 4 weeks I had a lot of blues, a lot of good trades, and my total for 4 weeks worth of trading is $4,587.47 US dollars, of course, which is awesome. And I'm going to show you why this is awesome. Because remember how I went back to the 8th of February? Because look, on the 8th of February, I'm going to show you how much money I had on the 8th of February. No, that's the 4th, that's the 9th. Come on, switch. All right. So on the 8th of February, I had $4,600, $4,612, $4,600, well, almost $4,600, which means, oops, that's my game that I'm playing. Sorry. Okay, which means that if okay, hang on. I'm just going to switch to my Safari. Okay. So if we take a look at my monthly percentage, that's almost 100%, which means that every month I'm able to double my money. And that's exactly what happened. My daily profit, even on days when I don't trade, it's 2.36%. Now that's just mind-boggling. I believe so, right? So here we are. This could be a great career. If you like these results and you want your own, please reach out and touch faith. Reach out for me. Below this video, in the description box, there's my email address. Write me an email, drop me a line. Let's talk. Let's start a conversation. And let's see if Mohini Trade is right for you. And that is all you need. You will be making money with this. This is just like a bank, except it's a trading robot. But I believe it holds on to your money much tighter than a bank. Of course, it's not going to take it away from you like a bank would, but it's going to give you actual interest like a bank should, but they don't. All right. So anyways, if you're interested, reach out and touch me and drop me a line and let's start a conversation. Thank you so much for your unyielding attention, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.